The Tesla Cybertruck battery warranty is 150k or 8 years and the Chevy engine warranty is 60k miles or 5 years. One person share his battery warranty of 8 March 2032. His Cybertruck battery warranty is really impressive. He don't even have to think about his battery until 2032. Cybertruck battery limited warranty expires on two ways. First one is according to year, which will expire on 8 March 2032, and second one is according to miles. If Cybertruck will cover 150k total miles, then their battery warranty will expire, and both drive unit limited warranty and battery limited warranty will expire on same date and same miles.